Did you know that you could slice 3 bananas, pop it on parchment, cover it, and press them down, top them with runny tahini, my granola, dark melted chocolate, sesame seeds, and flaky sea salt, pop it in the freezer, that you were going to have your new favorite sweet treat? Save and follow for more.
What if I told you this fudge cake was made with 2 ingredients? And I bet you have both in your home right now. It's vegan, paleo, keto friendly, and nut free. So you don't need 4 cups of cashews, just butternut squash and chocolate. I personally used unsweetened chocolate, so there's absolutely no added sugar. But it still tastes like fudge. The hardest part is not eating it all straight from the blender. You have to let it sit in the fridge to set. Once it's firm, slice it open and enjoy.